Okay, to get the yellow corners, you have 3 possibilities or 4 possibilities. You get a corner, couple corners, no corners. In this case I have none. You go right, up, right backwards, up, right, up twice, right backwards. Now I have 1 corner. I want to save this corner, so I put it in my left hand. And then I go right, up, right backwards, up, right, up twice, right. If that doesn't solve it the first time, you just keep doing the algorithm until it does. I will show you how that goes in just one moment. Sometimes what happens is you'll get this and you'll do the algorithm I just showed you, and it'll just spin that to another spot. Move that spot to where it's in your left hand again, then repeat the algorithm, and then you'll get it. Some algorithms have to be done twice or 3 times, but that's how you do it.